Works with Alexa for voice control, hub required, Alexa device and hub sold separately. Alexa can also provide notifications when your battery is running low so you can proactively replace them. Set up smart reorders through Dash replenishment to make sure you always have replacement batteries when you need them. Simply speak to lock your door. Tell Alexa, Siri or the Google Assistant to control your August Smart Lock Pro. Requires August Connect Wi-Fi bridge. Control access for anyone. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or a few minutes. It's up to you. AUG-SL smart locks are only compatible with single-cylinder deadbolts. The second image illustrates what to look for to determine whether your existing lock is compatible. Be sure you're secure with DoorSense. Only August has DoorSense to tell you if your door is securely closed and locked. Always know who is coming and going. Track activity at your doorstep with a 24/7 activity feed. Keep your existing lock and keys. Easily attaches to your existing deadbolt. Use your existing keys at any time. Locks automatically behind you, and unlocks as you approach. Retrofit installation works with most standard single-cylinder deadbolts. Simple, DIY installation. Install in about 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. Requires iOS 9.0 or higher, or Android 5.0 or higher smartphones. Certified Z-Wave Plus home product. Works with Z-Wave, the leading wireless technology for security and home control products. Top reviews from the United States. My biggest concern when buying was battery life, and the value proposition, more generally. Would I be working for the smart lock or would it be working for me? I have to say, I am very happy with how this has performed. Installation was a hassle, to be honest. I was installing this on a garage side door that had a window with vinyl trim. I chose to cut the trim to make room for the August smart lock. If I had it to do over, I would have bought the more narrow 3rd gen design, not Pro. I chose this lock because it had Z-Wave, and figured I'd get all the bells and whistles so I wouldn't have to upgrade for a long time. I ended up buying the narrower 3rd gen smart lock and find they both do a fine job. I can say that I've never used Z-Wave, and don't really need it. I bought the August Wi-Fi bridge, and a August doorbell, which also acts a bridge. This allows me to lock both doors via Alexa, saving me from having to get out of bed many a night. They all play together nicely, and I have not had any headaches controlling my locks since installation. In fact, a year in, I've only just now gotten the low battery warning for this lock, which is pretty impressive, considering how much use they get. I would attribute that partly to not using auto lock, and not consistently using auto unlock.